said Mama whistle that?
Hey, tell Sister don't be making a mess in that room because I just cleaned it last night. Okay? Does he like it?
What is that, my boy?
He don't know how to eat yet.
Yeah.
Just put it on the side of his mouth. See if he'll eat it that way.
That's good.
He says, look at Daddy, I look like that girl on that movie, The Exorcist. I'm spitting out green pea soup.
You like that?
Pretty weird.
You should have tried the fruit first.
I think the bananas would have been good. He would open his mouth for that. Really good.
And you're like, "Ah." That's gross.
Yes, like,
You
the
eat
doctor
it.
was saying it's good to get him started on vegetables first.
Yeah.
Doctors are dumb.
Yeah, only because, so they don't get used to the sweet stuff. Oh, sorry, Papa.
They like
What,
the
baby?
sweet stuff.
Yeah, see, he doesn't know how to eat it because he's like,
They have that reflex where they shove their tongue out.
But he's trying to taste it and
good job. That woman stayed in.
He's still debating it. He's still like,
Good job. That's very good. That's very good, my boy.
I don't know if I like it. Give me another bite.
Oh, gross.
this is gonna take forever.
I know. Tell Papa, be patient, Papa. Look it. It's only one drop now.
1 hour later.
No hands in the mouth while we're eating. See, he's getting better. See, he ate almost that whole little piece I gave him.
Oh man, he's gonna have stinky
Hey, you gotta say
Oh,
it.
yeah.
Okay, let me just know. Oh, that's okay. I'll take 2.
Tell her, baby. It's too bad, it's so sad for you.
That's why you're the number one mama. Tell Grandma Mara, look at me, Grandma, I'm eating. See, he's getting better. He kept that whole spoonful in his mouth. Curdy work. Curdy work.
Daddy cannot save you.
You will eat your peas at Grandma's house. Good job, my baby. Oh my gosh, you got this thing down, I think.
It's not fair. You're the only one that eats veggies.
Sit him up right, Bible, so he's sitting up good. Because when he's kind of laying down, it's harder to eat. He likes it. He opens his mouth for it. Curdy work. Curdy work. Curdy.
You're gonna have some stinky poops.
His
Just for
first
parents.
jar of food.
You ready?